Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay.
How are you, ma'am?
Yes. Fine. Thank you. Fine. Thank you. So children, here you revised skeletal system and sources of light.
Source of light.
Okay. So today I want to take a written test. Okay,
Yeah,
very
ma'am.
few questions, 4 or 5 questions only, because you are able to score full marks in MCQ. That I know. Okay, you are able to do it. MCQs, you can do it. You will score full marks. But now 1.5 year you are sitting at home, and so you don't have that much writing practice which you get if you are coming to school, isn't it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So yeah, only writing the notes that much, or sometimes some teacher if gives you for writing and study, that's enough. No. So let me check your speed. Okay, let me check
Okay,
your
ma'am.
speed. I think when you are in second standard, isn't it? Last year you are okay, first standard. When you are there in the first standard, that you wrote the answers in the exams and all, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, second standard you attended the classes in online. Third standard, now it
Yes.
is there. Okay, Devash, it is nice. Okay. So here we can see. So let me check where are you able to write it or not. Let me give some practice on writing. Okay, so keep the rough book with you. Everyone keep the rough book with you fast.
Yes, ma'am. It's
Okay.
already in
Yeah,
table.
I will take some questions. You have to write the question, not only the answer. Because whenever we are taking revision time, it is very important. You can use that questions while you prepare for the main exam. Okay, sometimes you will get some practice questions you have to do. So children, write the question also. Okay. Okay, so now it is 2:25, 5 minutes we lost, and after that what we can do, you have to write the question and to yeah, you have to write the question and to write the answer. Okay, each question you can write, you can try to answer that one, then move to the next one. Okay, don't ask me that you want to, don't ask me should I write question, yes or no. Do you want to write question?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, one answer, yes. Okay, so are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Yes. So make it ready for answering your this one. Rough book. Okay. Okay. So let me change the background. Okay. Is it okay? Yes.
ma'am.
So yes. Mute your audio. Revision test 1. Okay. So write the question also. Okay. Don't miss it. Can you read it, children? Can you read these questions?
Why could easily humans hurt on by during the daytime?
Yeah. Okay, enough.
Ma'am, you can read the question.
Yes, I will help you. Okay. Which question you want?
First question.
Why could early humans hunt only during the daytime? Is it? Are you finding any difficulty in my handwriting?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, let me check. Here are some.
Ma'am, can you read second question?
Yes, who is that one? I will help you. Okay, you start reading. I will help you. Read it.
Humans discover first
See,
by
who said it to read and that person to.
Parvana.
Parvana, read it. I will help you.
Humans
Discovered
discovered fire by
dash dash. Okay, humans discovered fire by dash. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Mute your audio.
What about you, ma'am? Ma'am, can you show the board?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you? Ma'am, can you read the fourth question?
Yes, fourth question. You try it. Try it. I will help you. Try it.
Why should we
Avoid. What is that word? Avoid. Okay.
avoid
Why should we avoid?
using a kin-
Kerosene. What is that word?
kerosene.
Kerosene. Okay, kerosene.
Kerosene lamp.
Okay, kerosene, that all we explained during when I explained that lesson, isn't it? Why should we avoid using a kerosene lamp? So this much questions is it is enough. Okay, for today. Devamitra,
Yes, ma'am.
are you writing? Are you attending the test?
Yes.
Okay. Is it easy? Is it easy or difficult?
Easy. Easy. Sound is coming.
Sorry?
Sound is coming.
Sound. Which sort of sound? Is it from my audio? Is it through my audio? So let me mute it, okay? When you...
Now, ma'am, your audio is coming sound.
Okay. So I will mute it, okay? Some here works it is going on, that is why.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry.
Ishan, are you writing? Are you attending the test? Huh? Can you show me your paper, rough book? Are you showing? Let me see.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ishan, are you attending the test?
which test?
Which test? So, see here, let me share the screen. see, can you see some questions here? Can you see the board, Ishan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, you did not see that before. What you are doing up to this time then? I told the whole story about this test. Take the rough book, start writing.
Ma'am, you can share the board.
Wait. Ishan, take your rough book and answer it and show me. See, is there any other students are there simply sitting? Huh?
No.
Are you thinking that I'm going to show any movie or anything? Huh?
No.
Okay. Felix, are you writing? Let me check each one now. I know from the first standard you are there in the home. Hmm? So if you are not writing, it will be very difficult for you. സുഖം. Yes, Evangel is not in this class, no?
Yes, my evangelist not this class.
Who is this Evangel? Can you please switch on your video, Evangel? Is it Emmanuel's brother's name?
That is Emmanuel.
Yeah, that is Emmanuel. Emmanuel, if it is Emmanuel, switch on. Let me see. Otherwise, it will be marked as absent. And who is this? Is it Evangel?
Emmanuel.
Emmanuel. Okay. So change your name, okay? So, can we discuss the answer, children? Is it over?
1 minute.
Okay. 1 minute I can do. Okay.
Mom, I changed my name.
Okay. Good. Mohammed Sishan is there? Sishan?
No, Zijan is absent. Absent.
Imran Ali?
Absent.
Present.
No,
Imran.
absent.
Let me check. Okay. Janita is present, no?
Yes, ma'am, Janita is present.
Diya?
Present. Ma'am, present.
Chinmay present. Ayan?
Absent.
Arfin?
Absent.
Anunya?
Present, ma'am.
Anne Mary? Anna Mary.
Present. Present. Ma'am.
Parent?
Anna Mary is present.
Okay. Anna Mary is present. Okay, let me check. Let me, are you ready for discussing the answers, children?
Yes, ma'am, ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am,
Okay. Yes. Okay. Is there anybody to complete the test?
Yes, Pranav. One
Pranav,
question.
one
One
question.
question more.
Okay. So here I can see it is not the name of a student. Isaf Small Finance Bank. Can you please switch on your video? Is that any student with their parents' device? Can you please switch on the video?
And that is Aryan.
That is Aryan. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, Aryan. Okay. No problem. Okay. So I saw Aryan before that, no? After that you change the device. Please
Ma'am,
read.
my mobile battery
Okay, no problem. Now you change the name of it, okay? Name of that device. Otherwise, see, we will have some confusion. Is that any other stranger or what it is? We don't know.
The question.
Yes, 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 sure. Fast.
Ma'am, I can finished.
Okay, okay. Ameya, see us.
Yes, ma'am.
And,
Ma'am.
okay, Anna Mary present. Andrina Joby. Andrina Joby.
Absent.
Absent, ma'am.
Then Adnan. Adnan.
None absent.
Absent.
So many are absent. Rex Joe present. Adnan, Andrina, Ayan, Imran Ali, Sishan. 4, 5. Okay, okay, children. This much time is enough. Okay. Now we can discuss the answers. Okay, mute your audio. Yes. Rishit, please mute your audio. I can hear some sound from your. Rishit, yes. Okay, so here, Ishan. Ishan. Okay, did you attend the test? Ishan. Yes. Okay, okay. So can you read the first question?
Why could the early
Why could? Fast.
why could early
Early.
humans hunt
Why could early humans hunt? Read it fast. Hunt during the daytime. Only during the daytime. Isn't it?
the daytime?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, read the answer. I can't see your face. I can see only a tablecloth. Read your answer. Fast. Read the answer. What is the answer that you wrote it for that question? Did you write anything?
yes, ma'am.
Then read it fast. Don't waste time. Fast, fast.
Ma'am,
Tell me. What happened? Why you are not reading? Tell me. You did not write the answer. Am I correct?
no, ma'am.
Then read it, whatever it is. If it is wrong, then also no problem. You read it.
Light.
Light. So show me your book. Let me see. Fast, fast. Show your rough book. Is that anything is there in that rough book? No, nothing. Very only 2 lines. Huh? So Ishan, see, write down these questions. Write down these questions and write the answers one time. Okay, not the 3 times and all. Only one time I want these answers and send it to my WhatsApp. Will you do that? Will you do that? Because I don't want you to miss these questions. While preparing for term 1, you need these all questions. Okay. So Ishan, I am going to share the screen. Oof. Now 2 minutes only are there. So you have to write it. Okay.
Ma'am, I can say the first question.
Okay. Some more time is there. So let me share it. Ishan, write the question and show me. After that, after the class, you have to write these answers and also send to my WhatsApp. Now, at the end of the class, I want to check the questions. Whether it is there in your rough book or not. Okay. So Niharika, read the first question and answer fast.
Why for early humans and only the daytime?
Yeah.
There were no artificial sources of light. Humans could hunt only during the daytime.
Okay, that is why there were no artificial sources of light at that time. That is very important. Okay, there were no artificial sources of light. So here, Anamika, tell me the spelling of artificial. Everyone check in your answer.
ARTIFICIAL.
Anamika, once again, please.
ARTIFICIAL.
Very good, very good. Check your spellings, okay, children? If it is wrong, don't worry. Now also time is there, you can study. Avantika, say the spelling of sources.
SOURCES.
Very good, very good. Okay, so 1 mark. If the spellings are correct, if you wrote the answer as there were no artificial source of light, that is the point. So 1 mark you can give. You can give 1 mark for that question. First question. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
First question, 1 mark. So second question, Risa, read the second question.
Humans discover fire by
Dash. Yes.
rubbing 2 pieces of flint.
Rubbing 2 pieces of
Flint.
flint. Spelling.
Flint.
Spelling.
FLINT.
Okay, good. Flint. FLINT. Okay. So 1 mark. By rubbing 2 pieces of flint. Spelling of flint is very important. Third one. Rishit, read the third question. Rishit, unmute Rishit. Let me see. Rishit. Wait. Rishit, unmute. Not able to unmute. Ameya, CS, read the question then. Rishit, please check your audio, okay? Yes, Ameya.
How did the discovery of fire help them?
That is the main question. So, answer, I gave some clues, isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't it? This is the question. Page number. Wait. Don't take the page number. I will show you, okay? Picture-based question, isn't it? This is picture-based question. How did, human discovered fire by 1 and how did the discovery of fire help them? So, one cave it is shown and another also during night time they are keeping that fire there, isn't it? So, from these clues, I can't give the pictures now. That is why I made like this. Okay, so A. What is the answer of that A?
Fire helped them to guard.
Fire helped them to guard. Yeah, very good.
Their caves from
wild animals. Okay, fire helped them to guard their caves from Wild animals.
animals.
Wild animals. Okay, correct. Okay. So second one, Suhana, read the B, answer of B. Means how did the discovery of fire helped humans? Okay. It also helped them to get.
It also
Hmm.
help.
It also helped them to.
It also help them to
Get after that. After that. Oh, Rex, what is the answer? Also helped them to get
light even after the sunset.
okay, even get light even after the sunset. Get light even after the sunset. Okay, so A 1 mark, B 1 mark. A 1 mark, B 1 mark. Fourth one, why should we avoid using a kerosene lamp? Very important. Suhana, can you read that answer? Fourth one, Suhana. Suhana.
Ma'am,
Yes, read the fourth question and its answer fast.
why should we
Avoid.
avoid using a
Why should we avoid using a kerosene lamp? See? Kerosene lamp. What is the meaning kerosene? What is that? Kerosene. See, while I took the class, I explained everything. What is that kerosene? In Malayalam, we call one name. It is very familiar to you.
Yes.
Understood, no? Yeah, that one. So why should we avoid using a kerosene lamp? Yes, who can?
Ma'am,
Yes, who is reading that one? Yes. Okay, Rish. No. Who it is?
Roshid.
Okay, Rish. Wait.
Roshid.
Roshid. Yes, where is he? I can't see him. Okay, Agnes, read that answer. Everyone check it.
we should avoid using a kerosene lamp because it produces smoke, is harmful to the
Environment. Okay, it produces smoke and is harmful for the environment. 1 mark. Okay, 1 mark. Got it? Understood? So this much simple. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, only 5 marks. Out of 5, how much you scored? You have to write that one. Okay. Out of 5, how much? That you have to learn. That you have to write. Okay. So Ishan, are you ready to show me that this one?
Ma'am, I didn't finish.
How many questions is it over? How many? Huh?
3 questions.
Okay. You take this time for completing. Fast.
Ma'am, you check the activity.
Let me see. Okay. This third C, no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Third C. I got that old paper with me. Oh, I did not check this activity of third C, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it ready with you? 4 minutes are there.
Yes, ma'am. It's already in table.
Okay, on the table. Okay. So, wait. Yes, those have the activity, please take it. Okay, heaven. Yes, Janita, let me mark it. Okay, wait, don't wait, one by one. Okay, Janita. Very few minutes are there. Janita. Yes, activity done. Heaven, show me the activity. Albert, Able, okay. Heaven, show the activity. Show. First. Yes, good. Heaven. Rida, okay. Heaven, okay. Rida. I saw. Then Nora. Yes. Then Felix. Yes. Then Aiden. Aiden, which one? Rojo.
Ma'am, Parana.
Wait. Anamika, Avantika. Both did different. Anamika, Avantika. Okay. Then Riza. Okay. Riza, I think yours is not labeled. You write the name of the organs. Okay. Roshid. Okay. Anna Mary. Okay. Then Parvana. Parvana, why is that greenish color?
Ma'am, my camera has problems.
Okay. Agnes, Aiden, Dias. Oh, Aiden, what is this? Then Agnes Wilson. Good. Then Rex. Okay, keep it down. Dia. Okay. Then is there anybody? Oh, Niranjan. Very nice. Okay, let me. Yeah, nice. Okay. Good. 3D. It is like 3D, isn't it? Okay. You have to write the names on that and stick it on that organs. Okay, Niranjan. Yes. Is there anybody? Suhana. Then Serafina. Okay. Wait. Who? Rishit. Okay. Okay.
I want to send. I want to write the name and I want to send you on WhatsApp.
No. Next day I will. Roshid. Okay. So can I stop today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Other students I will check it in the next class. For now, make it ready. I think it is not ready, isn't it?
Ma'am, I showed the activity in last class.
Okay. Just make it ready for the next class. Okay. Okay. Or after the exam. I will check now. Okay. Thank you. Bye.